long solenoid of 50 cm length having 100 turns carries a current of 2.5 amperes. We have to find the magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. We are also given the value of nu naught as 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So the magnetic field for a solenoid is given by B, or magnetic field, is equal to mu naught Ni. Small n is the number of turns per length, and it is given as the total number of turns over the length of the solenoid. So n is equal to 100 turns over 50 cm length, 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So we get 200 turns per meter. And I is our current in amperes. So our magnetic field is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Our given value of nu naught into 200, value we just found, n for small n, into 2.5 amperes, our current. We'll take pi as 3.14, 4 into 3.14, 200 into 2.5, 500, which gives us 2000 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. So our final value is 6.14 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Should be 6.28. So the correct answer is option 3.